What is up, YouTube? Today I will be showing you guys how I caught this trade live on Discord in front of people. As you can see on the Discord, we all making bread every single day. So if you want to join the Discord, the link is in my homepage. So yeah, starting off on the daily chart, I was really bearish because it seems like we're always respecting these daily gaps. As we tap them, we just go lower, and we just recently tapped this gap. Right now we went lower. I was honestly just aiming to go a little bit lower. On both ES and Nasdaq, we were respecting the bearish trend. So do not fade the trend. I know it sounds corny, but the trend is your friend at the end of the day. Okay, so pre-market, I did have this hourly gap as my condition. If we're gonna disrespect this gap, we can look for prices lower, come into these buy side liquidity at the bottom. But if we respect it, we can obviously go higher to these buy side liquidities, higher into these massive gaps. So this hourly was really just my condition to where price would go throughout the day. Now, as you can see, we already traded inside this 15-minute. We had a 30-minute as well, right? Market opens and we literally tap this 15-minute right here. I was ready to go for some shorts, but at this current time, ES was not ready to distribute lower because we didn't tap into anything of significant, right? So I saw this and I just sat on my hands. I waited for a setup. Okay, so my replaying tool is bugging a little bit, but as you can see, when we tapped the 15-minute, we did make a 2-minute gap, which we ended up inversing to the downside. Although I really wanted to take this trade, I needed more confluence. And as you can see, as we're trading lower, we do re-tap into this gap right here, right? So I go lower to the 30-second time frame. I did take a screenshot of my entry. As you can see, this is like a mini version of oh, by the way, I post every single trade I take on the Discord, and I explain my trades, obviously. As you can see, 15-minute true manipulation, 1 minute, you feel me? Like, I literally explain everything. But yeah, we retraced into that 2-minute, creating a 30-second inverse in that gap. My entry was a bit bad. I should have entered right here, but then obviously we have slippage, so my entry ended up being in this next candle, but I still hit a 1-to-1. So we retraced inside of that 2-minute and got an inverse to the downside. So this little 30-second was beating an hourly. We were fighting an hourly gap. We were inside of an hourly gap, and the hourly gap was supposed to push us higher. But this 30-second managed to inverse inside of the hourly. That means this 30-second is beating an hourly gap. That was enough confluence for me to enter the trade. Plus, ES just tapped into that 5-minute, ready to distribute to the downside. So I entered the trade, hit my 1-to-1 base hit. Obviously, the trade ended up going way lower, but that was the trade. If you want to join the Discord, where I literally post all my trades, I literally have a lot of my announcements for my YouTube videos and all that. I go live trading right here, and as you can see, the community is still small. I'm not gonna be live trading forever. So if you really if you're really interested in joining the live trades, I really suggest that you join now, because it's not gonna happen forever. But yeah, hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.